Alright guys, we just worked on factoring, so now we're going to be working on multiples. Multiples are debatably easier to find than factors, and that's simply because all you have to do to get a multiple of something is add it to itself. So for example, if we had the number 5 and we wanted to find the multiples of 5, the first multiple of it, you would just do 5 times 1 is 5. The next multiple, 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. And you keep going. You could keep going forever. You could go to 5 times 10,535,640. It does not matter. You could have an infinite amount of multiples because this number right here can just keep getting bigger. So you could have 5 times however many you could want. There is an infinite amount of multiples. Kind of funny to think about that, but there's a ton of multiple possibilities. Anyways, so let's just say I gave you a list of numbers. Let's say I gave you the list of 21, 35, 43, 57, and 64. And I ask you, which of these is a multiple of 8? Which is a multiple of 8? Now, some people thinking right now probably would say they already know that it's 64 because they know that 8 times 8 is 64. But that's not the correct way to do things with multiples. What you really want to do is list out the multiples. So we can start with 8 times 1 is equal to 8. We'll know that. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. 8 times 3 is equal to 24. And since 8 times 2 was 16 and 8 times 3 is 24, we know that no number can be equal to 21. So then we keep going. 8 times 4 equal to 32. 8 times 5 equal to 40, which once again, 35 cannot be 1 because 8 times 4 is 32 and 8 times 5 is 40. So nothing, no whole number times 8 is equal to be 35. So we would keep going. 8 times 6 equal to 48. So 43 is not possible. 8 times 7 is equal to 56. So then we'd do the final one of 8 times 8 is equal to 64. So 64 is a multiple of 8. You can see that right there, which also makes 64 or 8 a multiple or a factor. 8 is a factor of 64 as well.